of America and Eurasia, in latitudes 50 to 60 degrees north, you'll find your perfect snowy hideaway, the taiga, or the boreal forest, the largest terrestrial biome encompassing nearly 30% of the Earth's forests and 17% of the Earth's land. With a 6 to 7 month long winter, temperatures averaging below freezing, and lows as low as negative 65 degrees Fahrenheit, there's no better place to escape the heat. You can even make it 8 months of the year without having to undergo average temperatures above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And for everyone who loves dancing and playing in the rain, you'll find no shortage of it here. We get 12 to 33 inches annually, and unlike other biomes, never undergo a dry season.
Our soil is geologically young and thin, and even slightly acidic due to fallen pine needles. Since it therefore lacks nutrients, it yields only the hardiest and therefore the coolest of plants. It supports primarily lichens and mosses, along with a variety of trees. Its species include the pines, spruces, and cedars, but all share characteristics geared toward their survival. Their branches are slanted downward, so that snow is incapable of sticking, stacking, and breaking them. They are packed thin and close together to stay warm, and the wax coating on their needles, by preventing moisture from evaporating into the dry winds, keeps them safe from the harsh extremes of the taiga. And with so many coniferous trees, there's no better place to find pine cones. Plus, for everyone who loves green, leaves in the taiga stay green year-round to ensure that they're always ready to photosynthesize.
With extreme conditions such as these, taigan animals, like plants, are well adapted to survive the harsh, cold winters. While most birds migrate south for winter, the taiga is the year-long home for a few unique species, including the boreal chickadee, a small, brown-capped bird which hides its food to survive in the cold. Here too, you'll find some of the world's most impressive and aggressive fish. To survive the extreme temperatures of taigan rivers and lakes, fish have evolved to travel efficiently in the water while minimizing the amount of energy lost. A specific species, known as the Siberian taimen, is even nicknamed the river wolf for its fierceness. It will swallow absolutely everything in its way, including smaller taimen and even rodents and birds. Taigan plants and herbs provide the perfect nourishment to support the caribou, a member of the deer family that sheds and regrows its antlers yearly.
And who said the taiga was not home to cool species? Though unlikely inhabitants, reptiles and amphibians can also be found, but quite rarely. The blue-spotted salamander takes shelter in rotten logs to hide from cold and feeds on spiders, slugs, and worms. It only comes out during the spring when rapid snowmelt entices the salamanders to migrate to breeding ponds. On the top of the trophic pyramid, there are the toughest of predators. The Canada lynx, which predominantly hunts the snowshoe hare, is an indicator species for the taiga biome. Its large paws act as snowshoes to hunt in the snowy terrain, while its thick coat helps keep it warm. Wolverines are also built for this environment. They can be active all year round and have no problem with the excess of snow. Their oily fur is highly hydrophobic and helps prevent the accumulation of frost. Versatile scavengers and predators, wolverines have been known to hunt a wide range of animals, such as rabbits, hares, reindeer, martens, and even Canada lynxes. These animals are built for the taiga and therefore thrive in it.
The taiga is one of the most consistent biomes, as its harsh conditions can yield only limited and specific forms of life. There is little variation, whether in Canada or in Russia, but there are a few species, including the boreal chickadee, which can only be found in one section. The taiga does, however, work to fit your needs. If you want more rain or more heat, you need only travel toward the biome's southern ends. So whether in Alaska, Canada, Russia, Siberia, or northern Mongolia, be sure to hit the taiga.